Welcome to today's guide, where we'll walk through how to view your message request on Instagram using the most recent update. Instagram often changes how settings look and where options are located. So if you've been struggling to find your hidden messages, this will make everything clear and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so the layout matches what we're covering today. Once the app loads, look down to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This takes you straight to your own profile page. Next, look up to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a menu icon. 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap it. From the list of options that appear, scroll down until you see hidden words. This is where Instagram filters out certain messages it thinks might be unwanted or offensive. But sometimes, real people's messages can end up hidden here by mistake. Tap on hidden words, and once you're inside this section, you'll see a switch next to hide message requests. If this option is turned on, it means Instagram is automatically hiding some messages from showing up in your inbox. To be sure you're seeing every message request, toggle this option off. Just tap the switch once, and it should move to the off position. That's it. Now, your message requests won't be hidden anymore. You can return to your inbox, and whenever someone new tries to message you, their request will appear clearly in your message request folder. Easy to find and review anytime. Taking a moment to adjust this small setting ensures you never miss an important message again, whether it's from a friend, a follower, or a new opportunity waiting in your inbox. Thanks for watching.